वाला। मुझे फिक्र अम्न आलम तुझे अपनी जात का गम, मुझे फिक्र अम्न आलम तुझे अपनी जात का गम, मैं तुलू हो रहा हूँ तो गुरूब होने वाला। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Honorable guests and parents, worthy principal and respected teacher, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the Day of Defense. A cunning enemy we had to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. My dear fellows, 6 September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a cunning thief. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory. A few hours later in Lahore, they are armed with all kinds of weapons. बातिल से दबने वाले ए आसमां नहीं हम, बातिल से दबने वाले ए आसमां नहीं हम, सौ बार कर चुका है तू इम्तिहा हमारा। Principal, as history tells us that Abraha was a non-believer and arrogant king attacked the sacred house of Allah Kaaba, led his army with black elephants. In the same manner, India attacks our country while their black Russian and American tanks were ahead of them, and their walls were like fighter planes hovering above in the air. But what a courage, boldness, and bravery was demonstrated by the Pakistani nation. As soon as the news of attack here, a wave of boundless sacrifice and patriotism ran through the whole nation. The entire world knows that. In 1965, how the fearless, courageous, and daring tiger of Pakistan army crushed the planned, organized, and secret aggression of the enemy. By lying under the enemy's tanks, they wrecked the kinetic tanks in a shape which reduced all the pride and boldness of the large Indian army to ashes. In the world of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त है दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, बाहरी जुल्मात में भी दौड़ाए घोड़े हमने। Dear principal and respected audience, now I shall narrate briefly what we got in this war. We got a dazzling study over a cunning enemy. We got the sympathy and appreciation of all the countries and the nation. And above all, we got an emotion of unity, love, and pride in our being Muslims and Pakistanis. Our poets, writers, and singers paid homage to our great martyrs and brave warriors in such a splendid way, which will always be remembered. My dear fellows, being the young Falcons, let's aim together. We shall work hard to excel in all the fields of learning and welfare. Defend the country till death. We shall the flag of Pakistan upstand in the Committee of Nations. May Allah help us in this essential task. Now, I would like to conclude my speech on these words. हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए अर्ज़ वतन लेकिन, हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए